Navigating the millennial financial landscape can feel overwhelming, especially with high student debt and rising living expenses. But many of us crave financial freedom and the possibility of early retirement. Technology has opened doors for side hustles, allowing us to diversify our income. Start by tracking your spending habits. It's eye-opening to see where your money goes. Automate your savings with direct deposits and budgeting apps to build a solid foundation. When it comes to investing, understanding the basics is key. Explore index funds and ETFs for a diversified portfolio, and remember, starting small is perfectly fine. Identify your skills to monetize through freelance opportunities or online platforms, and consider building passive income streams through investments or online businesses. Continuous learning is crucial. Dive into books, podcasts, and seek advice from qualified financial advisors. Stay informed about financial trends and regulations. This proactive approach can empower you to take control of your financial future.